everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about these LANKIZ DIY eyelash extensions. I will open it up so you can see it without the glare. So this is what they look like. It comes with 80 clusters each. So each little thing right here is a cluster, and then there's 4 different lengths. So I love this because sometimes I like to wear my eyelashes, I just want them on the outer corners. Sometimes I like the whole length of my eye to be covered. Depends on where I'm going or what I'm feeling that day. The lengths also make it so nice on nights that I'm like going out. I will put on the longer ones just to make them a little bit more dramatic. Every day I use the shorter ones just for a little bit of a lift with your eyelashes to just give it a little bit something extra. So easy to use. If you can see, the base of them is actually really wide, this part right here. So it's really easy to apply. I've had other DIY eyelash extensions that are really thin at the base and really small. So they're really hard to place, and you have to place so many to get the effect that you want. These make it so easy. I usually use between 2 to 4, just depending on the look that I want. They're really soft. They have that mink kind of quality that looks fluffy and soft and just really pretty and flattering. So easy to use. The only thing that I do is I just will take the cluster that I want with my tweezers off of the backing here, and then I will put eyelash glue on it. Obviously wait for a couple minutes until it gets, or a couple seconds, maybe like 30 seconds. Wait till it gets tacky and then just place it. You can place it under your lash line or above it. I choose to do above it. I'm not good at doing it underneath yet, but I know a lot of my friends and family are, and they look beautiful that way. Really versatile. You could kind of use them however you want or for whatever look that you want. And they last a long time. 80 clusters last me a really long time, and if I'm careful, I can reuse them. If I come home, remember to take them off and just place them either back in here or somewhere safe. Super easy, so convenient, and I love that I can reuse them. So if you're looking for something like this, maybe eyelash extensions are getting a little too expensive, because we all know they are. This is a perfect little way to just do it at home yourself. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.